We're amongst the trees in this wonderful community here in Ashland, Massachusetts. Come with me as we tour this 2-bedroom townhouse right now. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and today we're inside 32 Mountain Gate Road here in Ashland, Massachusetts. We have a wonderful 3-level townhouse with direct entry garage, this wonderful updated kitchen, an open living floor plan, and 2 great bedrooms upstairs. Come with me as we continue to tour this wonderful property. As you can see, this open floor plan really is functional. The home also features a deck, a beautiful patio surrounded by various perennials. Now let's go take a look upstairs. These well-sized and well-appointed bedrooms take advantage of this wonderful community's tree-lined views. Well, thanks a lot for taking a look at 32 Mountain Gate Road here in Ashland, Massachusetts. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate. And if you have any questions about this home or any other home on the market, feel free to contact me.